Hi students, now I will give the simple trick to calculate the normality of a given solution. First enter into that, we discuss what is the exact definition of solution. You know definition of solution in my previous video. Now I explain the normality and how to calculate the normality of a given solution. First, listen students, what is the definition of normality? Normality. The normality is represented by capital N, normality. See, next one is definition of normality. The number of gram equivalents. The number of gram equivalents of solute present in 1 liter of solution. 1 liter of solution. This is the exact definition. The number of gram equivalents of solute present in 1 liter of solution. Now I write the formula to this. Normality is equal to weight of solute by gram equivalent weight. Gram equivalent weight of solute into 1000 by volume of solution in milliliters. Volume of solution in milliliters. This is the formula of normality. Next one, but an important thing is how to calculate the gram equivalent weight of different chemical substances. It depends on the role of chemical reactions. The chemical substances are mainly classified into 4 types. Chemical substances are classified into 4 types. There one is acid, the second one is base, third one is salt, and the fourth one is reagents. Chemical substances are classified into 4 types, depends on the activity in a given reactions. So the chemical substance 4 types, they are acid, base, salts, and reagents. Now we will discuss the one by one, how to calculate the equivalent weight of particularly in the acid, base, salts, and reagents. This is the important thing here. Okay, students. Now we start the equivalent weight of different kinds of substance. Equivalent weight. The equivalent weight of acid, base, salts, and reagents. Formula clear? Formula of normality is clear. Now I explain the equivalent weight of different kinds of substance. First, I write the equivalent weight. Equivalent weight of element. Equivalent weight of element is equal. Atomic weight of element by valency is the formula. Equivalent weight of element. Suppose 1A group elements, their valence is 1. 2A group elements valence is 2. Their fixed value for 1A and 2A group elements. Suppose the equivalent weight of sodium. Imagine they are repeated elements, important concept. Atomic weight of sodium is 23, but its valence is 1. Sodium charge is always +1. Then its equivalent weight is 23. Now the next one, equivalent weight of magnesium. The atomic weight of magnesium 24, but valence is 2. Then its equivalent weight is 12. like this one, aluminum, equivalent weight of aluminum, atomic weight 27 by 3, that is 9. Like this is the way to calculate the equivalent weight of different kinds of elements. Different kinds of elements. Okay, student, this is the way to calculate the equivalent weight of element. Next one, the equivalent weight of acid. After this one, the equivalent weight of acid. Equivalent weight of acid. Equivalent weight of acid is equal molecular mass by basicity. Molecular mass by basicity. This is the formula to calculate the equivalent weight of acids. But the new term is basicity. What is the basicity? What is the basicity? See, students, write down basicity. Here, basicity means the number of replaceable the number of replaceable hydrogen atoms, the number of replaceable hydrogen atoms in a molecule, or in a one molecules. The number of replaceable hydrogen atom in a molecule is known as basicity. Very important, students. Replaceable hydrogen atoms, not a total hydrogen atom in a compound. Replaceable. For suppose hydrochloric acid, it is always split into Cl minus and H plus. A replaceable hydrogen atoms 1, so basicity of hydrochloric acid is 1. Sulfuric acid, formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. It's converted into sulfate and SO4 minus 2 and replace 2 hydrogen atoms. So it is basicity is 2. But see here, phosphorus acid. The formula of phosphorus acid is H3PO3. But a replaceable hydrogen atoms only 2, not a 3. Don't confuse, students. Actually, 3 hydrogen atoms are there, but available replace hydrogen atoms only 2, because that depends on the structure of this one. I will explain again that. But very first to remember it. Next one, phosphorus acid. Phosphorus acid is known as phosphoric acid. Formula of phosphoric acid is H3PO4, but this one is replace all the hydrogen atoms. A phosphorus and phosphoric replaceable hydrogen atoms depends on their structures. We know, please you try to know the with the help of diagrams. Don't worry, first note of this. Here basicity 1, here 2, here 2, here 3. Let's suppose the equivalent weight of sulfuric acid, H2SO4. How to calculate the equivalent weight of sulfuric acid? Its molecular weight by basicity. Molecular weight of sulfuric acid is 98, but their basicity is 2. Then its equivalent weight is equal to 49. Like F2, F5 value, denominator value is 3. Like that. Okay, students, this is the way to calculate the basicity. Now I explain this too. Why it is replaced 2, but this one is replaced 3. Please note down them. You know the with your based on knowledge of diagrams. Students, in phosphorus assets are phosphorus, and all the phosphorus having one P double bond O. The remaining OH groups are hydrogen directly bonded to this. This is the structure of H3PO3 phosphorus acid. Name of that one is phosphorus. And there is P double bond O and 3 OH groups are there. This is structure of phosphoric acid. Okay, first one is phosphorus acid. Second one is uric acid. See students, on the diagram only 2 hydrogens are replaced from this. 2 OH groups are there, available hydrogen atoms too. But at the third hydrogen is directly bonded to the phosphorus. This cannot be replaced by any reaction. So the number of replaceable hydrogen atoms are 2. Total available hydrogens are 3. But the replaceable hydrogen atoms are 2. So the basic of this one is 2. But if 3 hydrogens attach it to the indirectly to the phosphorus, not direct to the central atom. If 3 hydrogens are replaced from this, so its basic is 3. These two are very important, students. What is the basic of phosphorus and phosphoric? Basically, both having the equal number of hydrogens, but a replaceable hydrogen atoms are 2. A replaceable hydrogen atoms are 3. So basic of phosphorus acid is 2, and basic of phosphoric acid is 3. Remember, students. So this is the formula to calculate the equivalent weight of acid. Thank you, students.